Doesn't 1 2 3 mic check. Doesn't 1 2 3 mic check. Doesn't levels. Levels are good. Levels are good. Oh, what, bro? I knew the dump was imminent. Oh my god, man! I should have gotten into the markets a little bit earlier, bro. I would have faded that for sure, dude. Look at all this topping out up here, bro. Please tell me someone faded this. Please. See, this is why I don't put my webcam on the side. I need to make a whole new chart. I mean, a whole new OBS setup. You feel me? But please tell me someone faded this from up here, bro. Like, come on, dude. This was so obvious. Right here, bro. Topping out. Dude, 454.81 was the level that was giving us trouble yesterday. Let's go back to the 1 minute real quick. Look, dumping. Look. Hold on 1 minute. Dumping. Q's just went backside. Q's are going to drag the SPY down, obviously. Look at Tesla on the lows. On the lows. And look. I mean, look, this is all you need to look. You know what I'm saying? When you see the SQQQ, freaking going up and going front side. And look, Success is already front side. So, I mean, I don't even need to look at any semis and know that they're fading right now. But, I mean, AMD is fading, just went backside. Bro, rug pull imminent, bro. Looks like they're already pulling it. Look, pulling that shit. Damn, look. Ooh, high a day on Palantir, 19. What did I say my price target was? 20? I mean, we're almost there. Oh, trust me. Hold on. Let me make sure this is all right, because I changed shit around here. Let's lock the webcam in space right here. I forgot what I was getting ready to say. Yeah, my price target on Palantir is $20. And believe me, my money is where my mouth is. All right. Hold up. All this shit's like unlocked here. Let's lock this in place. Lock this in place. I heard the ice cream truck out there. No, we're gonna leave the webcam exactly where it is, because you know what? When I go to try to freaking edit this shit later or make it into short, look, crucial right here. Look, we came down here. I was watching the markets when this freaking dump came out of nowhere. Look at this. Bomb. So that, I mean, like right there. Ooh. Look at that. Perfect setup, bro. And you could see, like, we're topping out up here, right? So, like, I mean, especially on the 10-minute chart, bro, you have to go ahead and assume that that's the top of the range. You feel me? Especially when we're topping out against it for freaking all day and refusing to go higher. You gotta know, like, that's the optimal spot to fade from. 45.75. Yeah, we broke above it slightly, but if you look, I mean, for the most part, was acting as resistance, tried to hold that support, couldn't, and then look, bounced up, hit that shit and rejected it, bro. That's like cookie cutter fading right there. And I mean, obviously at resistance, you fade or short. At support, you buy the dip. And then up here, guess what? Rinse and repeat. Oh man, it's so sweet right here. Just rinse and repeat action. What's the Russells doing? Oh, they're coming down. Coming down. Everything's coming down, bro. Oh Lord, those puts might actually work out. Remember, I swung them overnight. We kept freaking running up. And it was madness. Like, why do I have this gap here? Oh, that needs to be fixed. Hold that definitely needs to be fixed. What the fuck is this? This doesn't need to be here. Get that out of here. All right, I'm not gonna freaking make a whole new layout midstream. 478 50s. Definitely resistance, or gonna be resistance on Nvidia. We actually didn't even get that high. I mean, topped out at about 477 90s and then started fading, and look, the whole market's coming down. Even Meta, the champion, has been fading. If Meta cracks VWAP right here, bro, you know what I'm saying? We're still very high up, but I mean, we still have, look, Meta's cracking VWAP. Nvidia done came up here and faked all these bulls out. Now they're about to pull the rug, dude. Because, I mean, bro, yeah, I know the market's bullish, and it probably is justified in being bullish, right? But, I mean, dude, there has to be some type of healthy pullback, some moderation or something, dog. Otherwise, we're going to dump eventually. And I mean, if you look at the SPY on the 15-minute, here, I'll show it to you. I mean, we got to come over here, though. See, this is the problem. I need to make a new scene. Fuck. Webcam, let's unlock it, drag it over. God damn it. All right, look. Bomb. So, I mean, double bottom trying to hold right now. I do see a scenario in which the power of threes come into effect here. Look, 1, 2, 3, crack. What level are we trying to hold? 455. So let's go ahead and break down 455. All right. If we break down 450, oh, there we go, dumping. If we break down 455 and then crack this freaking double bottom, which is looking like about to be a power of three triple bottom crack to the downside, I mean, obviously don't anticipate, but if we do crack, and I mean lower days down here, I mean, obviously that would be, you know, now keep in mind, if price action is right, this is also the best time to buy the dip. You feel me? If we can hold the support here. But if we can't, you know what I mean? But like, as far as like risk to reward, you know what I mean? We took off from here, we bounced here, we bounced here, bounced here. So this is support. You feel me? But like, there's nothing that says support or resistance absolutely has to hold, and it's looking like we're about to crack it. If we crack this 454 80s, the market's gonna freaking fade, dude. It already looks like it's imminent. Look, let me show you why. SQQQ just went front side, new high on SQQQ, going to the upside, new high day on success, going to the upside. And these aren't 1 minute candles, they're 3 minute candles. So, I mean, let's go to 5 minutes. Just so we can see if it's, you know what I mean, decent. Yeah, bro. Look, bro, like, whenever you see success or the SQQQ start to move to the upside, the SQQQ will give you your cue to fade the market. Now, down here where we were consolidating at, is where you would probably want to be getting ready to fade. And then once you see us crossing over the 9, the 120, and going to the upside, that's your confirmation to fade the market. You feel me? I'm specific, and when I'm saying fade the market, and all that, like, I'm specifically talking about large caps. Like, small caps are something different. Look, struggling to hold this thing, bro. 1, 2, 3. Crack. 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 Crack this shit. Pull the rug on this shit, bro. I mean, obviously, I would expect it to give us some trouble. I mean, I did say, from a risk to reward standpoint, just looking at it, you feel me? Just looking at the price action in the chart, the technical analysis, from a risk to reward standpoint, it does make sense to buy the dip here, but not when we've come down here and triple bottomed off of it and had this fade, and it's looking like the crack of this level is imminent. But you could still buy the dip here. I mean, wait for us to pull back here and like consolidate a little bit and then go ahead and buy the dip. You feel me? And then your stop would be like here, like whatever this wick, when we wicked all the way down when we were dumping earlier. I mean, that could be your stop, 450, 460s. You feel me? Okay, it's looking. Remember, I said it does make sense to buy the dip down here. Like, I gotta make a whole new scene on OBS for when I freaking make my charts big. Because I want my webcam to be on one side, like in the same spot, no matter what layout I'm on. Because like the software I use to stream, it also records it for me in the cloud, and I go back and download my streams, and that's where you can get short form content from, or even just regular videos. All right, here it comes. 1, 2, 3. So the fourth time, crack. Let's see what else is going on. I mean, look, the Q, like, I don't know what's been going on with tech, but tech's been weak as hell. Look, the Qs are backside. It's looking like there's some support down here. Let's go to a higher time frame so we can get some real levels right quick. Look, the Q's down here bouncing off the 120. That's to be expected. And you can also see right here where we're dumping and then we stopped hemorrhaging and consolidated. That's why we're holding that level right now. And I'm pretty sure it probably no, it doesn't, because we're all the way up in the rafters. You feel me? All right, I mean, this is pivotal. You got the Qs here breaking down, going green to red. But there is some intraday support here. So it could be a fake out. But I mean, damn, that's a you know what I'm saying? That's a mighty large, fake out / liquidity grab, though it's not off the table. But with the Qs looking weak like that and trying to dump, now rejecting the 9 VWAP slant here. I mean, for any bulls out there, you better hope the Qs can break above, go back front side, break above this 9 and go back front side. You feel me? Let's see what this spot is doing. Okay, for now, remember, I did say it's from a risk to reward standpoint, it is favorable to buy the dip down here. 1, 2, 3, and bounce. But it could go either way, you feel me? Like the power of threes could go either way. But, from, like I said, from a risk to reward standpoint, because, I mean, obviously, I know this is very basic, but, again, sometimes it can be counterintuitive. When you see the market dumping like this and fading, no one wants to go long when you see the market doing that. But as we get down here to support, where we've bounced a few times, it's clearly support, 450, 480s or whatever. again, you buy the dip at support, and you fade or short at resistance. So it does make sense to buy the dip here. But I mean, I would be hesitant to do it after seeing this fade. But even like if you were to just buy the dip here and then scalp to the upside, I mean, that would have worked depending on your size. Because look, you got 455 right here. So you'd be grabbing the 455 calls. Get out here. But look, we're coming down to test this again, bro. 1, 2, 3. Like, that's a little game within a game. You feel me? There's a power of threes within a larger scope. Power of threes. Look. 1, 2, 3. We didn't crack. So maybe this is the real one. 1, 2, fade on down and crack. And go backside. Look, just broke down 450. Just broke down 450. All right. But what about Apple? I mean, Apple rocketed it off the open and it's just been fading and sideways trading basically. For the most part of the day. Does look like we have some resistance around here. About 195. Let me say something. I'm gonna say there's resistance on Apple at about 195.50s. I mean, it's actually 195.60s. If you look at the 15-minute chart, you know what I mean? Look at these wicks, how we wicked, rejected to the downside. And that would have been a nice fade, bro. I'm telling you, those are my favorite and easiest setups. Let the market rip and be bullish off the open and then fade that motherfucker, catch the washout. You feel me? So look, I'm going to go ahead and say on Apple, this is a major, this is a key level here. 195.66. If we cannot break back above that, obviously bearish and definitely wouldn't be trying to long this thing. Probably be more interested in fading it. Like right off that level. Look, you could have rinsed and repeated. Look, boom, reject off the 9 EMA in that level. Try to grind back up. Couldn't even get back up there. Fade again. Got back up to that level. You could have faded it again to VWAP. Got back up to that level. Could have faded it again. But let's see. Because right now it's like it's trading within a range. You got resistance here. But Apple's been bearish all week. So, I mean, eventually this thing's going to participate. Just hasn't been participating yet. And look at Tesla. Bro, I thought I seen Tesla like ripping earlier. Oh, Tesla to 300. Okay, maybe not today, but it'll get there. But oof. I mean, even this, dude, like, man, I know there's got to be some price action traders out there that seen this and caught these fades. You feel me? And again, I've been look at Tesla. Tesla's about to go backside. I mean, what's this level? 293.50s. Also have previous close right here. Tesla's about to go backside. All right, keep listening to people on YouTube. All right, saying that Tesla's going to you feel me? Definitely going to 300. No one knows anything for sure because no one has a crystal ball. That's why it's so important to, you know what I mean, read the price action. Like, if you're going to be trading intraday, like, you have to know how to read price action, bro. You have to. You can't just follow chat room alerts and shit. You know what I mean? But don't get me wrong, I'm bullish on Tesla. I got it in the long term, but I'm speaking from a short term perspective here, bro. From intraday trading. Like long term is something totally different. Okay. I mean, 1, 2, 3. Third one we bounced, pulled back to a higher low, and now we're looking like we want to start heading up. What's this? All right, let's get rid of this level. It's irrelevant now. And I mean, even this one, that was just to prove a point. All right, so right now the SPY can recover. You feel me? We came down here. Look, 1, 2, 3. I mean, that's a classic cookie cutter little play. You feel me? Obviously, about to dip at support, bro. But you know what I mean? The only caveat to that is, why did we dump so hard here? Why did we dump so hard here? You feel me? And it's like, all right, so the SPY is trying to run back up. The Qs have actually went front side again. Let's see if we can hold above it. There's 30 seconds until a new candle opens up, a new 1 minute candle. So I mean, as long as the Qs is up here, you know what I mean, when this new candle opens up, it's going to open above previous close, and then maybe we can consolidate front side, and that will give us the strength to grind up. But yeah, the Qs have been like dragging the market down, bro. All right, here comes a new candle, opening above previous close. So that's good. If you're bullish, you feel me? I mean, the moves, dude. So many decent moves here, bro. This double top with the fade. And then, you know, support's down here by the dip. You know what I mean? Get out. And, you know what I mean? If you're feeling frisky and froggy, you can fade it again for a quick scalp. But honestly, I'd get out here and I'd be chilling. And to wait for us to come back here and test this level again and then fade it. You feel me? And then up here, look, you know there's resistance up here. I mean, you can clearly see it. So obviously, fade, I mean, I'm sure there's thousands, if not tens of thousands, maybe even 100,000 people that recognize that and faded that move. You feel me? Because if I seen it, like, I mean, like, if I could see it, other people can see it. Look, key level on Apple, I mean, it's trying. Now, what I will say is if Apple can freaking break above this key level, and start trending up, and then the Qs start participating, we could just see a melt up going into the close. So basically, and I mean, look, so that's triple Q was able to get front side, got all the way up to 1675, and then rejected and went backside. So, I mean, that could be reversal signal. On the 3 minute, it's still trying to hold, but it is still backside right now. See something. Let's do some technical analysis on this S triple Q real quick. About 1660s, I guess. Should be support. All right. On the S triple Q, 1660s or so. Look, we're bouncing, going back front side, dude. The market should be fading. See, that 1660s should be support. And then you also have red to green right here. And then you have the 120 and the 9 EMA. VWAP's way down here. So if this thing is able to break, to hold the support, you know what I mean, break above these the 9 EMA and the 120, and also go front side at the same time, then you know the market's going to continue to fade, basically. This shit right here, you know what I mean? Just watch that. What about success? On the 15-minute, clear support at 870s. Yeah, about 870s, and you can see it from here. Look, we held it for the most part, then we cracked it. That's when the market started freaking ripping to the upside. Double bottom here, and look, up, pulled back to a higher low, then up again. So this 870s on success. If success is able to indeed hold that, it's looking like it wants to break down. But that would be your cue. Like if this thing cracks this level and starts dumping, long on the market. If we're able to hold this and consolidate and keep going up, the market will continue to fade. And right now they are looking like they want to hold. And look, I mean, you could see it on Palantir. Bounced, went backside, and now it's looking like it wants to head down. Feel me? Carvana at $51, bro. Oh, you can't see the Carvana chart. All right, let's go over here, bruh. Why does it do that when I click on that? Now, dude, I mean, I've been saying Carvana's was gonna short squeeze. I mean, I was watching it here, bro, when it had freaking, I don't know how much, 100% short interest, or it probably wasn't 100%, but something crazy like that. And then on that, I don't know, there was like a earnings beat or something. I don't know if it was, might have been here or here. And ever since then, I was like, dude, this thing's, because it had so much short interest. And then when on the earnings beat the last time, when it freaking ripped to the upside, all the shorts weren't expecting that. A move from 15 up to 25, so a $10 move when it's heavily shorted. You know what I mean? Like at that point, it's in short squeeze mode, bro. And it's just been squeezing up. Look, just been squeezing up. And I called it, dude. I called it. Yeah, man. Hopefully, you know what I mean, people took advantage of that, man. But it's clear it was short squeezing. All right, let's go back to the main thing. Got to keep the main thing, man. You know that. What's the main thing, dude? Well, it depends. Look, the Qs was able to go front side, but barely, bruh. Barely. Barely. It's looking like I mean, okay, we're holding the 9 EMA, trying to bounce off of it. I did see a wick. See that baby wick there? So there are some sellers here trying to dump on this thing. You feel me? And make it go backside. Anticipating that crack right there. You feel me? But even if we crack previous close, I mean, me personally, I'd still be sweating this as some type of support down here. What's this? Right at 8 o'clock. So right here, 385.50s. You know what I mean? So just because we crack and go backside on the cues doesn't necessarily mean we keep fading, because there's also like an intraday support under here. So again, from a risk to reward standpoint, it's favorable to buy the dip at support, which is, I mean, there's some intraday support here. Let's go out a little bit. I mean, other than that, yeah, oh yeah, it's like right here, bro. 385, 385 and change, and that's where we came down and wicked off of and started bouncing right here. So if we do go backside and start fading, you know what I mean, first price target to scale out is probably going to be here, just to confirm that it is a real dump, and we're going to keep going. Look, going backside, and look, there's even a power of threes there, bro. Like 1, 2. If we come down here and test it again, 3. Look, Q's backside again. They're dumping on it. What about the SPY? Is the SPY participating in this dump? Kind of. I mean, they need to just pull the rug on this shit, bro. Pull it. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, I wasn't really rushing to jump into markets today, just because yesterday, you know what I'm saying, like I didn't have such a good day yesterday. I actually had a red day yesterday. You feel me? Like my yeah, my trade, my position for earlier in the trading period was to just sit on my hands and employ a little capital preservation. You feel me? You know what I mean? AT&T's lead cable problem. Them copper cables, right? The copper. What the fuck? I just freaking. Hopefully, I didn't break my damn Nintendo Switch controller. I actually used to be an authorized agent for Verizon and AT&T, selling the copper DSL and shit, high speed internet, and then, you know, fiber and Fios and all that. Dude, all those copper lines that are, I guess, you know what I mean, I guess, you know how you have an electrical wire and has a coating around it. I guess back then some of them were coated with lead. Now they got that's like a serious thing, because lead's poisonous. I mean, isn't it? Look at the SPY coming down to test this again, bro. Yeah, lead's poisonous. Supposedly that's what brought down the Europeans. Like, I don't know if it was the Greeks or the Romans, but honestly, like, I've been doing some research, you feel me, on some alternative history, and bro, like no one can really even be sure, like the history that they've given us is false. All right, it's false. Look, dumping. Look at the cues. Low a day. Backside. Remember I said power of threes. We're gonna crack that, and if we crack this 385.19, that's gonna be your last little barrier. After that, fade. Oh, dude, if we fade long enough, my freaking my puts will go back in the money, bro. Look, cues. Look, cues on the lows. Ooh, just crack that level. Cracking to the downside, bro. VWAP slant, as we're already fading, means more continuation to the downside. New low. in about 15 seconds or less. Okay. I mean, they obviously changed something up. Oh, wait. Hold on. How many seconds we got? About 8 seconds left. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, 1 3/4. New low. All right, it wasn't 15 seconds. It was more like 20 seconds. I mean, but you can't be sure, dog. They could be liquidity grabbing, but I don't think so, bro, because we've been too bullish. Look at this, man. Just fucking cookie cutter setups right here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, even if you don't want to overtrade, I mean, just catch that one, catch that one. Cookie cutter, bro. Cookie cutter setups, bro. It's just basic support and resistance. Like, leave your bias out of it. I'm telling you. Leave your bias out of it and let the charts tell you what to do. That's it. Look, now this is crucial. 454.80s. If the SPY cracks this right now, which it obviously is, because you see these wicks, how they're selling into it, and then look, 1, 2, 3, crack. Power of threes. Dude, there's a power of 3 within a power of 3, because you got the 1, 2, 3. All right, and then they faked you out just to bring it on back down. But then right here, you got another game within the game. Another power of 3. 1, 2, 3. Dumping. And then look. Oh, look at the cues. New low a day. New low on the day. Tesla goes backside. Where's Apple at in the grand scheme of things? Oh, Apple done rejected off that key level. What did I tell you? Is that a key level or what, bro? Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, reject and fade. The power of threes, bruh. It's a real thing. The 3, 6, and 9, bro. Look at Tesla. Oh, you guys following them people? Oh, them calls, the Tesla calls the 300. I hope your expiration's a little farther out, dude. Or you better stop out now. You feel me? And look, there's your confirmation. What did I say? Success can consolidate, hold this level front side for any period of time. The market will dump. You feel me? Oh, I don't like how far Palantir is dumping. Carvana, still holding 50, 51. Mara, it's looking like it wants to break down. I don't know what level that is. Can't see it. Oh yeah, it's looking like it wants to break down those 1720s. AMC is pretty much irrelevant right now. Amazon's looking good. Amazon's looking good. But Baba, I said Baba likes to freaking get up to close to 100 and then fade or gap down. And look, that would have been a nice play. SoFi, I mean, SoFi's still above $9, so it's still decent. Okay, so look, SQQQ pushed up and made a new high at 1680s and then rejected. Let's get in the trenches real quick. Okay, I mean, that could be looked at as a higher low. And then look, you see where all these wicks are? Right here, like right here, right here, right here. I mean, they're 1 minute candles though, so can't really take much from them. I'd be more looking at like, actually, can't get any levels off of 1 minute chart. So I'd be looking for the SQQQ to at least hold 1670. Feel me? If we're gonna see continuation to the downside on the overall market, you're gonna need the S triple Q to hold the 1670s. And the same thing for SOXS. I'd be looking for SOXS to hold this 875s. Right here where you're seeing all this topping out, and then we finally broke above it with this resistance. Should now become support. You know what I mean? If the market is going to continue to leak and fade. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. What's AMD doing? Because I've been wanting to oh shit. Okay. I mean, let's let AMD dump a little bit more, and then I'm going to go ahead and add it to the long term. I'm going to add more. Because obviously I don't want to bring my average cost up, but I mean, if you're not under a rock, you know Nvidia's been ripping to the upside. All right, so at the very least, AMD should catch some of that sympathy, but it just hasn't happened yet. And also, AMD has its own AI shit too, bro. Like they you know what I'm saying? AMD has those AI freaking servers or whatever, supercomputers and all that shit. They got them too. Nvidia just owns the market. It just has the majority of the market share right now. Look, the SPY about to crack 385.20. I'm sorry, that's the Qs. I mean, the SPY is still frontside. But damn, look at them dumps, dude. Oof. Oof. I mean, again, from a risk to reward standpoint, it's favorable to buy the dip near support. I mean, obviously, now it feels like a chase unless we break above this 455.25 with some strength and volume, but it looks like volume is decreasing. All right, so now, you feel me? I wouldn't trust it though, not after this dump. But again, the entry was here. Like, if you didn't get in when near support, then like your risk, like there's too much risk. Because if they dump again, we're gonna dump back down here to the support at least. You feel me? So you're gonna be buying the dip near support and fading near resistance. And I know it sounds basic, but you'd be surprised. All right, let's look at some other charts. What about the S&P 500? Damn, Matt Kors, didn't I see you freaking go long on the S&P 500, the SPX? I think I seen him go long like up here or something when we're already at the top of the range, dude. I was watching a stream earlier. Oh, bro. I mean, hopefully when we dumped and freaking grind it back up to the top of the range, you freaking got out of that trade, bud. If not, I know you're feeling pain right now. Trust me, I know what it feels like. Ugh. Yeah, man. I mean, like, your natural tendency is to trade with the trend, obviously, but not when we're extended, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. Like, I don't know. I just can't bring myself to chase. Can't do it. Can't do it. I see what Meta's doing. I mean, Meta's been the real champion, bro. Meta and Nvidia, and that's why I got these two big freaking all this real estate, screen real estate dedicated to those two, because they have been the champions. As far as Nvidia, I mean, look, as long as the market doesn't break down and we totally wash out, I mean, this wouldn't be a bad spot to go long on Nvidia, as long as the market cooperates, bro. As long as the Qs isn't breaking down. You feel me? 469. Looking at them 470 puts. I meant calls. If you're bullish. You know what I mean? Because again, you fade or go short at resistance, you buy the dip or go long at support. This is support at 469. But it's just like with the market dumping like it is, bro, like it's support until it isn't. You feel me? Look, they saved this thing, the triple bottom one. Look, 1, 2, 3. It was looking like it was going to crack, and then it bounced. But that fourth time, if we come down here and test it, it is my opinion that we crack it. Meta, cracked the 9, cracked VWAP, cracked the 120. All right, it's coming down. But again, Meta's in its own lane. So like, as far as watching the overall market and trying to predict what Meta's gonna do, like it's hard right now. Cause it's like Meta, Nvidia, and Tesla, like they're in their own lane, bruh. I seen it earlier. The whole market was dumping and Tesla was ripping to the upside. Means it's in its own lane. Look, Meta's coming down, bro. Like, where's red to green at? At 312. If we keep fading like this, bro, I wouldn't be surprised if we eventually get back down there. It's not that far away, bro. But again, optimal place to fade up here. Not chase up here because we're looking bullish. You don't chase it. It's too late. You already missed the move. The move was here. Like, once we're up here, it's too late to chase. So the only thing you can do is confirm if it's resistance or not, and watch the price action. And obviously, when you see us topping out like this, and then you see this long wick, I mean, fading time, bruh. And look at Nvidia. Nvidia has cracked that. We've been down here before. 469 is the 469. Yeah, 469 is the real level, but there's also like a level down here, 468.15 on Nvidia. Actually, 469. I mean, there's levels all over the place. $469. That's a key level on Nvidia right now. Meaning, if we can break back above 469 and the market is participating, meaning it's not selling off, but is trending up or looking bullish, then, yeah, I mean, I'll be looking at those 470 calls. The market has to participate, though. Like, that's why it's so important that you watch the entire market. Oh, shit. Oh, what's going on here? Looking like we're seeing a little dumping. Hold on. Like, I'm so like tired of this. I'm gonna make a new layout. All right, so looks like the SPY is trading in the range here. Basically, 454, about 454.70s or 454.80, and 455 25. It's looking like we're about to actually break past that and start trending up. And look, I mean, we hit that and rejected. So trading in a range here. I mean, I wouldn't expect to see any major moves on any of the, you know what I mean, large cap or mega caps. Unless we break out of this range either to the upside or the downside. You feel me? You know, with the caveat that like, unless there's like specific news in a specific sector or in a specific stock that's a large cap. You know what I mean? But, you know, anything short of that, that should be the case. Like, we're trading in this range and, you know, wouldn't really expect to see any major action either way until we break out of this range. I mean, really, more like the S&P 500. Yeah, basically just like the SPY, bro. Like, trading in the range here, bro. Hey, the market has been looking bullish as hell, bro. Ain't gonna lie, bro. The Russell, let's see what they look like. I mean, pushed up high a day, like right off the open, basically, and then rejected. And ever since then, I mean, it's kind of like putting in those inverse higher lows. So, I mean, this would be like your support if this chart were flipped upside down. You feel me? And again, this would be, you feel me, a higher low, an inverse higher low. This would be another one. You feel me? Look, rejecting, bouncing up, boom. Couldn't bounce quite as high. That would be a higher low if the chart was flipped upside down. Then again, another one, resistance, dumped again. So then this would be your next one, 196.70s. It's just, you know what I mean? You know how you're looking at higher lows when the market's trending up. I mean, it's the same thing if the market's trending down. You feel me? Just inverse higher lows. I don't know what the correct terminology for it is. I just call it inverse higher lows because that's what it is. I mean, stepping down. But look, this thing's trading within this range. All right, we're going up towards trying to test the top of this range. Let's see what happens though. I mean, right now it looks like nothing's happening. Look at Nvidia. What did I say? It makes sense to buy the dip down here, bro, because we're near support. You feel me? But I'd just be extra cautious because the market has been fading and shit, bro, and looking weak. And look at that wick. Feel like we eventually come down and crack this, bro, and start trending down. Look at Meta. Dumping, trending down. Now trying to hold 314. Just cracked 314. Oh Lord, bro, we might be going down. All right, look, the S&P 500 is in this range, but looking like it wants to come down here and test the bottom of it again. And look, you got power of threes. 1, 2, 3. They teased us with the crack, but then they immediately came back and bought it. Maybe a liquidity grab, but I don't think that's enough. All right, trying to push up. The market's bouncing right now. It's bouncing right now. Go back over here. Look, the Qs are still backside. And look, now we broke down past that 385.19 and the 9 EMA. And I mean, you can see even the inverse higher lows here too. Look, this would be your support. This would be your next level here. Inverse higher low. Next one. Next one. Next one. You feel me? As long as we keep putting in those inverse higher lows, and you know what I mean, each time we dump, we bounce a little bit. But if we can't bounce back up to test the previous resistance, then you should expect the market to keep fading. Because if it can't even bounce back up there to test the previous resistance, that means it's too weak to do so. You feel me? Look at Apple, bro. Like Apple's freaking dumping here, bro. Right off of VWAP. 195. I mean, I'm more interested in the SPY. I need the SPY to freaking dump. Just on a short term perspective, though. You feel me? Just from a short term perspective. Obviously, I want it to go to the moon over the long term. Let's see what's going on over here. Okay, so look. Success pushed up, and it's kind of been like fading back down to this 875 candle here. So I mean, I'd be watching that. You feel me? And if Success can come down here and crack this 875s and then this 870s, the market could have a chance to keep trending up or bounce actually and reverse back to the upside. I mean it's depends on a lot of things. Carvana is at $51. Hey, bro, I've been calling out Carvana as a squeeze play, bro. That it was gonna squeeze for freaking, I feel like months now, dude. You can't see. I keep forgetting you guys can't see those charts over there. Look, that's triple Q acting like it wants to bounce. Success acting like it wants to bounce. AMD came down here to this 115.50s and bounced. And it didn't really, it bounced a little bit, but basically he's trying to start trending up. I mean, that's a major support on AMD. Look, you can see it on the 15-minute. Look, right here, it was resistance. Resistance. Chopped around it, rejected it, reclaimed it, held it as support, held it as support, tried to, cracked it. Freaking dumped, held it as support, bounced all the way up to 121, now back down to this 115. I mean, That's major support on AMD 115.50s. If we pull back again to it, it wouldn't be a bad idea to go ahead and go long. And look, you see Success and the SQQQ starting to show some signs of weakness. Like Success wants to give back this 875s. I mean, they're fighting for it though, bro. But it looks like it does want to give it back. But look, still trading in the range here. As I said, we're not going to really see any major movements in the overall market, like until we get out of this range. Look at the Qs, bro. I'm broke down, went backside, chopping around down here. Look, VWAP slanting, about to come down here and make a new low. And the Qs have been dragging down the market, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, my bad. Yeah. This is what I was talking about though. So now we got this 385.20s acting like some type of intraday resistance here. And then above that, you got 385.40 and then previous close. I mean, you know, if you're long on the Qs, we got some hurdles to get past. But again, from a risk to reward standpoint, it does make sense to buy the dip down here. But you can't just be looking at the chart and technicals. You also have to be watching the overall market and the market sentiment and all that. You feel me? But the Qs are looking weak for sure, bro. What about the SPY? What time is it? 1:30? All right, there's still some time left. There's still some time left. Apple looks like it wants to go backside eventually. Tesla did crack and go backside and was able to bounce and go back front side, but I mean, let's find some real levels here. I mean, honestly, bro, like Tesla's so volatile that I mean, levels don't really mean anything, especially intraday levels. Maybe off the daily or something, or the weekly. That thing be whips on around like crazy, bro. Oh shit. Fading. Faded. Look, 1, 2, 3. If we come down here and test this again, this 45.62. If we come down here and test this again, bro, and especially start looking weak, bro, we're gonna crack and fucking dump, bro. Like wash out. Because I was under the impression that we get up. Look, dumping. On our way down to test that level again. Look, power threes. 1, 2, 3. The fourth time, we crack it. Only thing that could save us is this low day right here. 45.60. Look. Here comes the SPY. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Crack. Okay, they ain't ready to let it dump yet. Oh, wait. I've seen some volume come into the selling side. Oh. Bomb. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crack. Power threes. And let's give it a chance because look, you also have some wicking down here. off this 454.75. Feel me? Let me see something. Right here. We wicked off of it to the upside, almost like a liquidity grab. Look, and it looks like that's what they're doing again. Oh, liquidity grab. Look, they did it here. Boom. Did it here. Boom. Did it here. Really faked us out. Boom. Did it again. But dude, I don't know, bro. After they're showing us the hand here, bro. Look, dump, grabbing liquidity, dump, grabbing liquidity. All right, getting everyone bullish. Oh, dump. Oh, we recovered. We're bullish. Oh, dump. We're recovering. We're bullish. 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like we're gonna crack this, dude. Let's watch it. Watch it. Let's watch it. Oh. Here we go. Rejecting off the 9 EMA. Remember, there's kind of like two little intraday levels here. So if we're able to crack both of them, that means, we could dump more, basically. Let me see something. Not bad, dude. I mean to be distracted. Line. Yeah. Well, look, wicking. Look at that wick. Look at that wick. Oh, shit about to crack, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, the simple fact that we came down to that level and was able to hold it 5 times makes me think it's kind of a decent. It's definitely intraday support. But again, bro, like I'm just looking at these dumps here. You feel me? So look at that. And then look at that. If we get the same kind of dump, but here, oh man, that shit's going to trigger so many stops and shit, bro. And like, we're just going to freaking wash out. Look, here we come. Here we come. Cracking 451.80s. I'm at 454.80. Okay, trying to hold it. And then there's another like intraday level that we wicked off of a couple times. Look, they're playing games. And again, it does make sense to go long down here, bro. Just from a technical analysis standpoint. You feel me? Just taking everything else out and just looking at the charts, it makes sense. Because support's down here. But will that support hold? That's the question. This Russell index came down here and teased us with a crack of red to green, bounced back up. Look, but then faded again, tried to bounce, couldn't bounce back up to the previous resistance, which makes me think it's weak. But yeah, I mean, like again, from a technical analysis standpoint, um, again, it makes sense to buy the dip like down here, especially you could see it. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've held that level every time. But what I'm saying is, why do we keep coming down to test it? You feel me? We keep coming down to test it. And I mean, Nvidia did get back above 469. And then actually started pushing up, but then gave it back. 469, bro. I mean, if we do pull all the way back and consolidate and just try to hold it, you feel me? Like, I'd be interested on long Nvidia for a scalp. Here comes Meta trying to bounce again. I don't know what's going on with these markets. I think the rebalancing has something to do with it. S&P 500 still in this range. And we could be range bound. I doubt it though. Especially when power hour comes around. All right, so let's see what's really going on here. Bounce, reject, bounce, fade, fade, reject. Bounce up top of the range, gradually fade, consolidate, bounce harder. But again, let's see what happens when we get back up here to test this 45.67 and change, 45.67 40s or so. Look at this. Rejecting off that 9 EMA. Those are 3-minute candles. Look at the SPY. Again, it does make sense to buy the dip down here, bro. But you gotta be surgical. Because if we freaking crack, okay, so now we're breaking out of the range. Wait, all right. I mean, where's the real range at? We need to go to a higher time frame. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's really. Oh. Go to the 10-minute. $454.80s. But I'm trying to look at where the top of it is. About right there, 455.35. About 455.35. And also, I mean, look, you got the S triple Q and Success pulling back, but they're pulling back to that support and or resistance. 1670 on the S triple Q, 875 on Success. And you do see Palantir trying to make a recovery, which I want to see. Look, Mara starting to rip or recover. Carvana is now trading at almost 53. Look at this thing, dude. Volume came in decent, almost 500,000 shares. Look, dude, this thing is squeezing right now. Squeezing right now. Right now. Short squeeze. Right now. It's like, here it is, bro. It's about to rocket. It's squeezing. I mean, obviously, you're going to have resistance at about 55, 57, about 58, 59. Bro, this thing is looking, oh, I'm on the wrong chart. My bad. Yeah, dude, this thing's looking very squeezy, bro. And look, at the same time, I'm seeing the S&P 500 show a little bit of weakness. So we could be getting a little rotation. That rotation game I'd be talking about. Showing a little weakness as Carvana's trying to squeeze up. And I mean, it's just a theory of mine, but I have seen it play out a few times where capital will rotate out of the overall market, like the large caps, mega caps, and all that, and basically the indices, and rotate into like spec plays. I've seen it happen a bunch of times. I mean, especially when all the short squeeze meme stock stuff was going on, you'd see it. It was more prevalent back then, but I do still see that from time to time. And I'm like, I don't know. I'm almost feeling like maybe I don't need the level 2 there. The level 2, like I mainly was using it when I was like day trading equities. You know what I'm saying? But what I noticed is ever since, you know what I'm saying, I've been like basically day trading options. Like I haven't really been watching the level 2 that much. Maybe I need to start watching it again. I'm trying to see if I can free up some space on my screen though. All right, look, the Qs are rejecting off of this 385.40s again. Let's see if we crack the 9 EMA. It looks like we will. And again, I am fucking blocking it. Yeah. I mean, it was looking like we're about to crack the 9 EMA. And obviously, this 385.42 is acting as resistance intraday. And I mean, you would expect it to because it acted as support. Look. 1, 2, 3. You feel me? Support becomes resistance. Okay, you got the Qs breaking back above that or trying to. At the same time, the S triple Q is trying to break down those levels, those key levels I was talking about. And also SOXS is looking like it wants to. Here, let's just look at them real quick. So it was breaking down right here. And I guess the new candle came out. That freaking trying to hold it. But I mean, that's, you know what I'm saying, that's something to watch. And again, I already explained why. You know why. Look at AMD. 115.50s. We come back down there and test that again. I'm definitely buying the dip. Okay, these little uh bearish leveraged instruments here are, I mean, they're fighting. They're fighting. Oh, look at that bounce. Trying to break past the 9 EMA. Am I long term? Look at that 880. Look, bouncing, look, holding these levels. So I'm saying if these instruments hold this level, hold these levels, then the market's going to continue to fade. You feel me? So that could be like, I mean, use it as confirmation. Not going to say use it as a buy or sell signal. All right, let's get back over here. Going on with the Qs. Qs topped out here, rejected the 9 again, came back down to this 385.20s, and it's trying to bounce, but we're rejecting off the 9 EMA right now. Rejecting off the 9 EMA. Let's see if we can get some follow through past this 385.20s. Oh, it looks like we did for a second. Gucci. Q's holding, fighting, struggling to hold this 385.20s. I'm trying to push past the 9 EMA. It looks like it's having trouble though, bro. I don't know. Anything can happen, but I mean, obviously, tech's a lot weaker. We have dumped a lot. You feel me? But I still feel like the market is extended to the upside. I mean, everyone knows that. Doesn't mean we can't keep running. You know what I'm saying? But we are extended. Let's see what the RSI looks like and has been looking like. So look, well, way up here we're at 90. Thing was on fire. Haven't quite been up that high since. Right here about 70. So that's overbought. All right, let's get rid of that. Right, hold on. What about that MACD? I don't use these indicators. I just want to see something. It looks like the MACD is crossing over again to the downside, and then you got the RSI cooling off. Like it's starting to get close to, I mean, it's right in the middle right now, but it looks like it's downtrending, trying to get close to like oversold. I don't really use these indicators like that. I don't even know what, like, secondary. All right, let's get rid of the MACD and the RSI. Oh, dang, you seen that little, almost like a gap down right there. Little baby gap down. There we go. Rejecting off the 9 EMA. 455 right here. I'd say that's a major psychological level. 455. Right there. Major psych. Major psych level. I mean, it is impressive that we were able to actually break down below 455. You feel me? And recover it. That's impressive. That shows some strength. And now look, looking like we might see some movement to the upside. Because look, you got success here on this level, looking like it wants to finally crack it. You got the S triple Q cracking this level at the same time. Look, Palantir's about to go front side. AI just went front side. I mean, things are kind of lining up for the market to bounce, but you never know. Because see, now look, you have to watch the price action. Man, bro, like, yeah, bro, like, damn, dog, I for sure would have faded those rips, but you know what I mean, like, well, even Apple's trying to recover. We came down here and bounced off basically 194 and trended back up to VWAP. We're above the 9 EMA. Cracking the 9. Oh shit. See what the Qs are doing. I mean, I think Apple went down as far as the weighting and the NASDAQ or whatever. All right, here comes the Qs. Again, we've cracked this 385.20. S&P 500 is trading in this range. Look, it's been bum, trading in this range. Which way will we break out of the range? Will it be to the downside or the upside? That's what you have to ask yourself here. You feel me? Q's backside under 385.20 still. About the spot. SPY's trying to hold this 455. Nice psychological level. But all this wicking, look, it tried to dump and they bought it back up. But I seen some wicking on the top. You feel me? Like they were trying to dump on it and squeeze it down to a doja candle. They couldn't get it done here. They might get it done here as we're rejecting off the 9 EMA. I seen VWAP slant down. And usually when you see that slant and we're already looking bearish and downtrending, we tend to see follow through. But 455 flat is a major psychological level. So it's going to take a little bit more than that for us to crack that. Look at Apple with this V here, crossing over VWAP. So with Apple crossing over VWAP, as long as Apple does get above VWAP, it would make sense to me to go long on the Qs as long as we're holding the support down here. I mean, the real support was here and then here. Now it's here. But there's a theme here. The supports keep getting lower and lower. Which means like we're cracking through supports. Tesla going backside as we speak. Tesla has earnings. But I mean, from what I understand, uh, if you're trying to trade earnings or extract, you know what I mean, capital from the markets or, you know what I mean, from earnings, it seems like it's more pre-anticipatory is where you see most of the move at. Is once the actual report comes out, I mean, obviously it can go either way, and you know, it's like buy the rumor, sell the news. You feel me? Apple rejected VWAP. And it's itching to break down this 194.70s. Look, it just broke down. Not yet. Almost. Something like that. About 194.72. Itching to crack that level. See that wick? See that wick? Told you. It's itching to crack that. Oh, they've been playing like a lot of games, bro, in the market lately. Like, uh, swinging down, like stop hunting, liquidity hunting, freaking. You feel me? Like, lot of trickery going on, bro. Look, Apple cracked that 194.70s. So let's see. Grind it all the way up to VWAP and reject it. Let's go to a higher time frame. It does look like, I mean, Stocks S and the S triple Q are still above those levels, but they seem to be losing a little momentum, a little steam. So again, we're still above the key level on these inverse instruments here. But I mean, like Stocks S is looking weak, or not weak, but like it can break down. The S triple Q is looking a little stronger. It's putting in these higher lows here while crossing over the 9 EMA and my short term. AMD still grinding up off that 115.50s. AI is cracking and going backside as we speak. Palantir still backside. Look at Apple. Decent rejection off VWAP. It really comes down to this thing right here, bro. For me, anyways. I mean, at this point, like the I'm just gonna chalk that up to a bad trade. You feel me? 455 is getting cracked on the SPY right now. On the S&P 500, the SPX. index. It's fading down towards the bottom of that range. Haven't got there yet, but it definitely looks like it's on its way down to test it. However, I do see the small caps grinding up. So, I mean, it's hard. It's you just have to watch the price action, bro. That's it. What about Meta? Meta has been fading. Uh-oh. Coming down here to test it. Coming down here to test it. Look, Russell coming down to test it. All right, so like shit's like Nvidia's cracking that level right now. 469 has been breached. Oh shit. Look, S&P 500 down here at the bottom of this range. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crack. Look at this. Crack. Crack. Dump. 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 All right. All right. Fucking pull the rug on this shit, bro. Pull the rug. Pull the rug. Pull the ripcord. Here it goes. Here it goes. VWAP slant. When we're in a downtrend, continuation. I think that the S&P 5, no, it didn't. It almost put in a new low, new intraday low. Look at that. Crack, new lows. What did I say, bruh? What did I say, bruh? Dumping. Dumping and slumping. Keep going, bro. I want to see a dump like this. Here. Let's go. Let's go. What are we bouncing off of? We're bouncing off of 450, 450s. Oh, dude. Dumping, bro. I knew it was setting up, dude. I knew it. I knew it. Too much bullish rhetoric out there, bro. Too much bullish rhetoric. The SPY, new low of day has been tagged. The S&P 500, new low of day has been tagged, and we're actually making new lows as we speak. Look at this. My shit hasn't, it dumped so fast, like my new low hasn't even registered yet. There it goes. New low is 445, 58, 30s. Nvidia has cracked 469. Meta is dumping. Let's try to get some real levels here real quick. Okay. So, I mean, you would probably want Meta to hold 312.88 if you're long. If we can't hold that, then I feel like we go ahead and go backside on the day. That's what I'm talking about, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, after a fade like that, you would expect to see some type of bounce, some type of moderation, but nah, bro. The momentum. Look at this. Cracked all that shit, boy. I knew it. Too much bullish rhetoric out there, dude. Gotta be careful with that. Like, I'm telling you, the freaking We're trying to hold 454. Actually, we broke down 454.50s. That might be resistance now. Actually. Look, gave it all back. Gave it all back. So we're trying to hold the high from the previous day now. That's what this is. This is the high from yesterday. It makes sense that we would bounce there. However, I mean, we've already cracked it and breached it. And VWAP slanted down. You seen that wick? I'm telling you, there's something to that. We're in that gap fill zone on the S&P 500, the SPX. Let's gap fill all the way down here. Gap fill all the way down, dude. All right, so we're getting a little bounce. We're getting a little bounce. I mean, shit. Yeah, it better bounce a little bit. You feel me? Otherwise, there's gonna be a lot of freaking sad people out there, bro. 454.70. I mean, I would expect these supports to now be resistance. Where we're coming down and freaking quad freaking bottoming. Like it, 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, obviously, you'd expect that to be resistance now. That shit way up there, boy. Look, rejecting off the 9. Are we about to crack 454.50s? Yes. Looks like it. Looks like it. Looks like it. Look at that wick. VWAP slant. Continuation to the downside. Incoming. The SQQQ actually went up and tagged a new high, I believe, 1684. Success went up and tagged a new high, 885. Look, what did I say? Continuation to the downside, bro. What'd I say, bro? And we correct 454.50s. It's getting hot. Oh my durag, dude. I'm telling you, bro. I got that big boy freaking GPU. And I'm over like a heater, bro. So got some big shit in there, bro. I mean, I could freaking like gaming 4K, all that shit. Got some big shit in there, boy. Actually, recorded like the whole process of me like taking apart my computer and rebuilding it, upgrading it and shit. Like I just have to put the videos together. You feel me? And then I'll show you how to build your own computer. It's actually like the best time to build a new PC right now, like a gaming PC or like gaming / content creation PC. You feel me? Like the best time right now, bro. Like shit's pretty cheap. You can get a freaking RX 7900 XT, I believe, for like $700 now. They did me dirty, bro. Like I jumped on the 6950 XT. This was way cheaper. It's top of the line last gen. Like, cause honestly, like when I game and stream, like I'm still streaming in 1080. Like sometimes if I'm just gaming, I'll game in 4K. Cracking 454 50s. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. More continuation to the downside, please. All right. I mean, obviously this is a level. Trying to hold as resistance. Although I don't see it being able to hold up. I think we crack it. By the way, bro, anything I say is not a suggestion to buy, hold, or sell. You feel me? Any levels or freaking instruments I'm calling out. It's just what I'm thinking, what I would possibly do. It's in no way telling it's in no way financial advice or telling you what to buy or sell. Okay? New low. New low ho. New low ho. Oh my god, bro. I hope no one was chasing up here, bro. Please tell me no one was chasing up here, bro. Matter of fact, I know people were. Oh my god, I hope you stopped out. All right, so this 454 50s is going to be resistance now. Don't forget, bro, we still got power hour and that 10 minutes of terror, bro. Dude, we might go backside. All right, how far are we? We're not that far. SPY's going backside, bro. 454 puts. Right now. That's when I get them. Oh, let me double check. And look. Look. Success on the highs. S triple Q on the highs. Palantir backside. AMD starting to fade. Look, with all that dumping, AMD didn't really dump that much. You know what I mean? So relative strength is building up in this thing. So if we do pull back the 115.50s, I'm definitely getting in. Carvana is at 52.70s. And that's what I mean, bro. Look, as the market was dumping, this thing's grinding up or consolidating and pushing up. It's like that rotation game, bro. The rotation for the flotation. Okay. Look, you seen that? Look, that was bullshit right there. Look, we wicked all the way down to the low and then bounced. Like, it wasn't even a bounce. It was just, it's almost like the bar slithered up there. What? Doja? Doja? Squeeze that thing down to a Doja candle. All right. About 5 seconds left until the new candle opens. Obviously, it's going to open above that key level. And then immediately dump. Rejecting off that 9 EMA, VWAP slant. VWAP slanting. Okay. But dude, every time we're in a downtrend and VWAP slants like that, we get continuation to the downside, bro. Look at this. Now Nvidia on the low. Oh, damn. You was long on the S&P 500, the SPY, and Nvidia. Oh my God, dude, you're feeling so much pain right now. I know you are. Fuck. I can feel it. I can feel the pain. I'm feeling pain for you, and I'm fading the market right now. And somehow, like, I'm catching secondhand pain, like secondhand pain. Look at this. Looking like more continuation to the downside, if you ask me. See this wick right here? Right here? That little baby wick? Under all indicators, 120 way up here, my short term and the 9 EMA basically running parallel to each other. Actually right on top of each other right here. Look, wicking to the downside off the 9 EMA. All right. Little moderation, never hurt no one. You feel me? Obviously, it doesn't matter if you're long or short. You don't want to see anything going straight up or straight down. You want to see it, do it with some moderation. You feel me? Like a higher low here and there. Shit like that. Feel me? Nvidia, damn. I can't believe Nvidia actually came down there and tagged a new low intraday. Look, put in a new low right there. I mean, it's still looking weak. Like it wants to like dump more actually, bro. Look, Nvidia about to tag a new low, a new intraday low. The low's 467.42. Trading at 467.80, 70, 60s. They're playing with it. Nvidia's about to tag that low right there, bro. All right, look. Little intraday, little level right here. Let's see if we can crack that. Okay, a new candle opened below that level, barely. Actually opened right on the level. All right. So not yet. Let's see why we're bouncing here. Might be some support over there. All right, first of all, let's get rid of all this. Yeah, look. I mean, we filled in that gap. That's why we're bouncing. Because it was resistance and consolidation. It was a little resistance / consolidation station yesterday. At the end of the, basically, yeah, towards the end of the day. That's why we're bouncing. The market's bouncing right now, trying to recover. The SPY bounced decent just now. I'm trying to put a level in here real quick. It's taking too long. Yeah, that's why we bounced right there, because that what I just showed you. Same thing on the spot. Look at that wick. I mean, we did reclaim 454.50s. How much volume we have here? Not a lot. 200,000 right here on the selling. And then the buying was only 100,000. You know what I'm saying? So look, 200,000 shares right here. So, and that's what we're like fighting against as resistance right now. I feel like we're gonna need to at least see 200,000 shares of freaking buying to break back above that. And so we got, we had 170 right here, and hasn't been enough time yet. Okay. I mean, the simple fact that we're able to reclaim 454.50s is yeah, I mean, it's impressive. When when it slants like that, and we've been uptrending, you don't really get the follow through to the downside. I mean, dude, we almost did. They not. We dumped, and they immediately bought it back up. Look, we dumped again. Like it happened so fast, you didn't even see the candle. Well, it just a wick just appeared on the 9 EMA. I'm gonna have to freaking turn on my high ping, like my 0 ping. I mean, the move already happened, dude. All right, let's see what else is going on. All right, Palantir still backside, but near $18. I'm cool with that. I mean, I've rode this thing up $10. Again, price target's 20 though. And depending on what the price action is looking like when we get to 20, I'll either just go ahead and take profits or maybe even stay back in it. I meant stay in it. Because Palantir is decent for the long term, and it also has AI in it. Like it's an AI play as well. I mean, that's what Palantir is, bro. It's like mainly like AI type CRM type stuff. All right, bouncing. We're bouncing. 454.80s, freaking just sliced right through that like freaking hot butter. Look at this now. Nice little George W. double bottom. Right there. So that's a major that's a decent support right there. It's 45.57 and change. We came down, looked like we are gonna break down, but we just consolidated off of it. and then turned around. Look at that W. Basically a double bottom. That's what the George W is. Oh, George W. W. Okay, so I mean, the SPY's looking like it wants to recover. Let's see what happens when we get to 455 flat. Major psychological level. Right there. And we have chopped around it quite a bit. Look. Yeah, I seen a lot of volume come in for a second, but I don't know if it was real or not because like I got my setting on something that estimates the volume. Yeah, I'm gonna try. I want to try out the other one where it just updates the volume. I don't know if it's every 5 seconds or every 5 ticks, but that would be the true volume numbers. But like on active candles, it estimates based on like the buying and selling, some type of setting. All right, so 455.02, major psychological level. We broken above it. Uh, Obviously crossed above the 9 EMA and the 120 right now, trying to hold it. I mean, it's not off the table that this was a liquidity grab, like this right here. Because look, we came down and swung down in here into like this pre-market and after hours first action. You feel me? So it's not off the table. Clearly broken above 455. Nice healthy little uptrend here. Still a decent amount of time left in the trading period. Right, we're not even in power hour yet. Oh no. I just seen the S triple Q dump violently, which means there could be more continuation to the upside on the overall market. Look, you got AI going back front side. Uh, Look, AMD didn't even participate in that last dump. It just consolidated. That lets you know it had some decent relative strength, bro. Oh, thought I was seeing a pullback. I mean, if you're bullish, you actually want to see some healthy pullbacks, though. You feel me? So, like these pull back here, pull back here. Yeah, I mean, you want to see that. You don't want to see this rocketing straight up, because that means we could freaking dump straight back down. But if you have some healthy pullbacks in there where we're putting in higher lows and shit, I mean, then it makes it more sustainable, in my opinion. And look, so now you got the S triple Q and SOXS coming back down to test this support here. On the S triple Q, it's 1670. On SOXS, it's 875. But you could start to see how these start fading. The market starts turning around. All right, let's get rid of all this. Find some real levels. There might be resistance up here at 455 50s. It's really looking like 455 40 or 30, 455 30s. About 455 34 or so. Way up here though. I mean, even this move right here is decent. From here up to here, 455 calls for a quick scalp. I mean, grab about 10 of them. That would have been decent. Make sure I'm on the wrong, yeah. All right, so dumped and put in a new low, bro. They're like whipsawing this thing around, bro. This is gonna be a key level right here, bro. 455.34. If we can even get back up there. Seems like there's resistance here too. Just intraday though. Like intraday minor resistance. 455.18s. All right, let's check out what's going on with everything else. The Qs are still backside, but they caught a bid with the SPY. But look, the Qs got up to the 120 and rejected. Now it's looking like they're going the other direction. So I would expect the SPY to follow. And 384.40 is going to be the support down here. We happen to find ourselves fading and coming back down here to test this again. Look, 1, 2, 3. Gonna be power of threes. Well, you've been warned. Dude, like I've never seen such a huge divergence between the SPY and the Qs. Look, this thing's basically been bullish for a little bit and consolidating. The Qs did catch a piece of the bid, but immediately rejected off the 120, and actually looking like we're gonna break down the 9 EMA again. No, the S&P 500 is bouncing, but they're selling into it. And they sold into this too. Uh, looks like the Qs are about to break down the 9 again. If the Qs break down to 90 MA again, I feel like it'll drag the SPY down. All right, wait. Little bounce came in real quick. All right, now hold on. Breaking above the 120. That 120 is like a long term, bro. We get above that 120, bro. Usually means running to the upside. Look at this divergence. Look how close the Qs are still to low a day. Look at what the SPY's done. Look at this. All right, so here's the level I was talking about. 455.34. Breaking past it. Breaking past it with strength. Look at this. Came down here, consolidated, and then ripped. Back up to the upside. Also, the Russell's ripping. About to cross over VWAP. Nvidia has reclaimed 469 again. Hopping around that thing. I mean, that's impressive, bro. Impressive. Even Meta started grinding back up a little bit. Yeah. Some support down here at around 313. Oh, I couldn't roll my mouse wheel for a second. Oh shit, look. All right, so look, the SPY's broken back above 455 30s or whatever, which is pretty significant because look, we held it as support. Well, actually, we cracked it, and then it was resistance. Dumped, held it as support. Tried to, then it became resistance, and now we've broken above it. But it's looking like we broke above it for a second. They might be trying to fake out. Because I mean, even though this is resistance and we're breaking past it, you also have to be cognizant that you got VWAP right here. So I mean, you can reject off VWAP. So the move was from down here to up here, but if you're trying to play the breakout past this, yeah, it could work, but you have to be cognizant that VWAP's here. And that's all. Look at that. We're trying to wick to the downside. Same thing on the S&P 500. The Russell got up to VWAP and rejected. As you can see here. S&P 500 did the same thing, and the SPY obviously doing the same thing. See how we're wicking to the downside off this 455 30s? This is pivotal right here. Hold on one second. It's getting hot, bro. I got this damn heater on right here. My goddamn computer. Hopefully it doesn't make too much noise. I mean, I got a noise gate on my mic. Let me see. Yeah, the noise gate is definitely working. Yeah, for sure. Look at that. We cracked the 9, bro. Oh shit. We just opened a new candle below the previous candle, also below the 9 EMA. Pretty bearish. Wicking to the downside of the 9 EMA. What? Like what? Like why am I getting a notification? Are we fading? $6.19. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks for the sub. Yeah. Fading. I don't know, man. You know, we really need to be cognizant of this power hour that's coming up. And also, that 10 minutes of terror, dude. Damn, bro. Damn. I should have closed those fucking puts out yesterday, bro. I would have saved myself a couple $100. Couple more $100. $455. It's gonna be your major psychological level. Looks like we're coming down to test it again. If we crack it this time, bro, and we have any type of follow through, that's it. They might go ahead and pull the rug. Look, Russell came up to VWAP and rejected. It's been fading ever since, trying to break down the 120 right now. S&P 500 got back up to 45.68 and change. Rejected. Been fading ever since. That's it. The SPY got up to about 455.50s almost and rejected and has been fading ever since. The real test is gonna come if we get back down to this 455 though. But I mean, if you're just watching it from here to here, I mean, we're definitely looking bullish. And just in the last 30 minutes or so. But this right here is scary. Bouncing. 455.34 seems to be giving the SPY a little trouble. Um, Keep in mind the S triple Q and Success still haven't relinquished those levels yet. In order to see a reversal, a decent reversal to the upside, like on this, like on the overall market, especially like the SPY and the Qs, you're gonna want to see the S triple Q and Success crack these levels. You feel me? If I'm being honest with you. 455.34, obviously, uh, resistance, intraday at least. Rejected it. Like, nice bullish candle here. Low volume, though. That pushed us up here. Yeah, that's low ass volume. Only 67,000 shares. Which doesn't seem correct, if you ask me. But, I mean, if that's all it was, it shouldn't take much selling for us to break back down past it. And you can see, even that's, I mean, okay, so we got about 5 minutes left until Power Hour officially begins. Oh, look at the cues, bro. Oh, these shits are so weak. Look, their backside, dude. What's been going on with tech lately? Maybe it has something to do with that rebalancing or something, bro. Because I swear, bro, like, the SPY and the Qs are usually correlated. But I've been seeing some deviation. Looks like Apple pushed back up. I mean, I know we tagged a new 52-week high on Apple up here earlier. I mean, Tesla is just freaking, dude. Tesla, uh, that's a widow maker right there, bro. I know they swore Tesla was gonna hit 300, boy. That's how they play, though. But I mean, you know, that's why you're able to stop out. And it's a Widowmaker, bro. That thing dropped $10. Damn there. Seeing some bouncing coming in. Look at Apple. Bouncing up. SPY bouncing up. We're trading in this tight little range right here. I'm in the way. Yep. Oh shit. I seen a little dumping action. I mean, you can still see the price. You can still see the price action right now. Yeah. Yep. Clear intraday resistance at 455.34. And obviously 455 flat is a key psychological level. You also got the 120 here. We're wicking to the upside off the 9 EMA right now. A lot's going on. Looks like we're pushing up. Two up slant. All right. Good Apple. Apple's trying to do something here. So is Tesla. Like, what's up with the Qs? Oh, them shit's flat, bro. Look at this. Just weak. Weak as hell. Let me try to find some beats or something, bro. What's this? Look, rejecting off of that 455.34. Cover your ears. Like, why is that changed? Or 55.30s, trying to break above it. Pushing past it, but remember, we pushed past it right here too. Doesn't necessarily mean anything. I think I put on the wrong shit. Alright, there you go. SPY trying to rip. Alright, so you know, I'd be anticipating the cross above VWAP and trying to go long. We break past this right here. 455.46. Okay. Apple's rejecting. Look, I said if we break past this. That's the wrong beat. $455.50. I feel like it's gonna be the next obstacle for continuation to the upside. And how that shit slanted and freaking you immediately seen weakness come in. Comfortable, bro. Alright, see, yeah. Now if we're breaking past this, I'll be anticipating the cross above VWAP and the long. We did have some consolidation right here though. But it's looking pretty strong right now. Looking like the cross above VWAP's imminent. So I don't know, 456 calls. I don't know, bro. Oh no. Those two wicks, the rejection here and these two wicks here. Is a little cause for pause. Where's this volume at? Yeah. There's a cause for pause. It seems like it wants to grind up. Yeah, there's the cross above VWAP. There you go. So the SPY has reclaimed VWAP. $455.50. That was the support earlier. Running parallel to VWAP. So the simple fact that it was able to break above 455.50 and VWAP is bullish in my opinion. Damn, son. That was a nice little dump there. This is obviously a grab. And now look. So now you got your confirmation. The SQQQ has broken down past that support and key level. And I would expect Success to do the same. But I mean, if you want to be a little more conservative, wait for it to crack red to green. And then that should be another elevating factor to support a bullish thesis. Look at this uptrend. There we go. Decent range. Look at that, bro. Probably should have came to the market sooner. I mean, after seeing this, yeah, 450, 450s resistance from yesterday, sold off to that, consolidated, and then ripped. And now you're getting confirmation over here. Look. $455.75. That's definitely a level. Look, wicking off of it, then holding it as support, dumped, holding it as support, bounce, holding it as support, finally broke down, resistance, broke above it, holding it as support, cracked it. Now we're back up here. Oh shit, my bad, I was on the wrong fucking chart the whole time, dude. Forgot what I was saying. Yeah, this 455.75. Look, with support. Resistance for a little bit, but mainly support. So now, if we break back above this, see something? Yeah. I mean, we've definitely been bullish for the last hour. Let me say, yeah, for about the last hour. Looks like we're breaking above this. Let's see what the Qs are doing. Okay. See, the Qs got to participate, bro. But now that you see that they are starting to trend back up, I mean, that would give me a little more confidence to go long. But again, Success hasn't broken down that level yet. The SQQQ did break down the level and go backside. But it's like chilling right there. Let me show you. Trying to squeeze back up. But I don't really. I mean, anything's possible. But we're definitely seeing some bullishness come back in. Look how long we've been struggling with this level here, bro. 455.75. Making me think it might be a fade. $455 puts. Oh, just as I say them, we start going towards it. So, but that's what I was gonna say. Like this 455.75 is gonna be like your last major barrier if you're bullish. If we can break above that, I don't see any reason why we can't at least make it back up to whatever the next resistance is. 456. But if we fail, who knows how far we can dump. Look like we're about to crack the 9. Because look, they sold into it here. When we dumped here, they bought it back up. And now we're right here on the 9 EMA. And it's seeming like there's a battle here. Battlefield between the Bulls and the Bears for this level here. A new candle's about to open in 5 seconds. It opened higher. Hey, oh no, I can't play this one. Okay, look, breaking past it. Looking like the Bulls are winning. And we're officially in power hour. I've seen some violent ass price action. I think it was Nvidia. Look at this. Bro, metal's all over the place. I mean, really the whole market is, to tell you the truth. 469. Look at the Russell ripping, going back above VWAP here. $196.70s. Pull back to the 9. Bounce. Look at this wick. There's 2 wicks up here. Go boy. 469 to 470. Decent little dollar move. Just off the break of this level, reclaiming it. Oh, we're ripping to the upside. We were 45.73 flat. That thing hit that shit and was showing some weakness for a second, boy. But they jerked down, but then they bought it back up. $455.90s. Then you got 456. $100. Yeah, I gotta stop doing that. I mean, I like them 456 calls on the spy, bro. Oh shit, I clicked on put on accident. 456 calls. That's what they look like on the chart. Oh, dude, did I get filled? What the fuck happened to my trade, bruh? Hold on, where's the orders at? Like, why is my shit just sitting out there? Damn, I missed my fill. Buying on the ass, dude. Fuck. Man, I keep missing my damn fill. Look, 456. Now they want to fill me, bro. Fuck. This pisses me off right there, bro. The move was there. All right. Yeah, I don't like how that went. I didn't get a clean entry. All right, rip. Probably should have jumped in down there, but I wasn't really planning on trading. But it looks like we might get the rip to the upside and the inverse 10 minutes of terror. If we dumped all the way down here, this is where I was supposed to jump in at, but I originally wasn't gonna trade. I already got freaking positions. I'm gonna close them all out. What do I got? 453.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. Because look, the Qs went back front side and crossed over VWAP. Tesla did this V shape. It's going back front side. The only other thing we got, I'm on the wrong chart, my bad. The only other thing we got really holding the market back right now is Apple trying to break past this 195.66. If we can get Apple back above that, I believe that's the only thing really holding the Qs back right now, and the Qs are basically holding the SPY back. Like, I really wasn't gonna trade, but I guess I can't just help myself. Whatever. I don't like that VWAP slant. Fighting for this 456 right here. I mean, really, that was a bad trade, bro. Should have took it down here. Damn, dude. That was so stupid. But guess what? I didn't make the same stupid mistake and get 0 DTEs. Thank God. Oh, Lord, dude. I don't like how we're giving up 456, bro. They might wash it out. What? Yeah. Apple rejected that 195. I mean, Tesla's back front side though. Q's dumping. With the fake out, breaking above VWAP just to break back down. Yeah. Oh, Lord. My favorite part, the alarm part. Woof! Pumping on that shit, boy. Oh, let me see something. Woof! That was so stupid, bro. Did the complete opposite. Instead of buying the dip down here, I anticipated again the breakout. But what I didn't do is go with freaking stupid ass size. And I didn't, wait, what? I can't believe it's been that long. Damn, boy. Would have been a nice fade to catch. Right there, anticipating the breakdown of 456. Palantir trying to go back front side right here. We got the S triple Q wicking off previous close. It got down the VWAP and bounced. But it's like wicking off of it. It's looking like it wants to keep fading. It needs success to come down here and crack this. I ain't gonna lie, I don't like this dump. Meta back above VWAP. Nvidia back at 470 and change. Look at this wick right here, bro. That shit looking dangerous. Let's see if we get the fake out breakdown of VWAP. Kind of got it right here, but the actual setup, price comes down under VWAP and consolidates and then takes off. But this is like the inverse of that. We're consolidating above VWAP, looking to break down. If we break down VWAP, I'm stopping out. I'm out, dude. Fuck that. I'm staying in shit. No longer. I gotta respect my stops. Alright, yeah, I'm out. Wait. They might be doing that VWAP breakdown. Nah, that's a real breakdown of VWAP, dude. Yeah, I'm out. Let me out. Oh my god. As soon as I try to close it out, dude, that bitch just dropped. I guess I didn't get filled. That's why I like to do market orders. Got filled right here, bro. I mean, really. 30, 40 bucks per contract. Oof. Like, I just want to get out, bro. Oh, I was on the wrong chart. This is so trappy right here, bro. Oh, and we got the 10 minutes of terror coming, bro. Oh, nah, bro. $6.90. Look, I got the, yeah. July 20th. 93. I know what I gotta do. Hold up. Them limit orders, bro, because sometimes, you know, I'd rather take the slippage and make sure that I get out than to not get filled. And see what happened? Like, I tried to get out for a limit order and we immediately dumped. I guess because the premiums changed too fast or something. I mean, came down to the 120 and bounced decent. If we can recross VWAP and the 9 EMA, I'll feel a little better. That wasn't like the VWAP breakdown setup. That was just a VWAP breakdown. But somehow we freaking... it's actually looking like a liquidity grab, actually. Oh, that might be a liquidity grab, bro. Dumping all the way down, and then wicking up, and immediately trending up. That's what the liquidity grabs look like. The SQQQ is fighting to go back front side. Stoxx still has not given back that key level, the 875. What did I pay for him? $1.28. I mean, they're at least back over $1. $20 minutes left in the trading period. I'm getting the inverse 10 minutes of terror vibe. Almost seems like this might have been a liquidity grab. Real quick. To then go ahead and push it on up. Alright, I mean, higher lows getting put in, crossing over the 9 and VWAP. VWAP slant with the uptrend. I mean, when we're uptrending, it doesn't dump. It's only when we're already downtrending. Fighting with VWAP right here. I would like to see a new candle open above VWAP. 30 seconds until a new candle opens up. We need to bounce as high as we can and then open a new candle above VWAP and the 9. We're already above 455.50s. New candle now. Higher low. Wicking to the upside off the 9 and VWAP. Support right here, I think, at 455.50s. I don't like that. Talking about they came in and dumped on this shit. Look, 400,000, almost 700,000, 600,000. It might be unloading. Where all these dip buyers at? I finally tried to trade with the trend. No, I did it wrong though. My execution was like, it wasn't bad, it was horrific. Oh shit. Dude, I made this beat, but for some reason, like, every time I play it, like on YouTube or something, like they give me like a copyright thing and I have to freaking like dispute it with them and all this shit. I'd rather not play it. I mean, and obviously, we're fucking about to dump and wash out probably, bro. My stop was to make sure that it wasn't just the fate, like the VWAP breakdown, consolidate under VWAP and then take off. But obviously, that's not what's happening. I give it a couple more seconds, but I gotta respect my risk, bro. See, this is what that VWAP breakdown fake out looks like. It breaks down and then consolidates right underneath VWAP, and then it takes off. Clearly this isn't it. Well, they keep playing with it. Hey, 15 minutes left in the trading period. Bro, look at Carvana, dude. Got all the way up to 56, boy. Oof. That thing's squeezing. Man, I need to check how much short interest does it have now. I think I checked it earlier. It was like 56% or something. All right. Here's my stop. $455.36. I'm out. Oh, wait, hold on. Bro, they playing with the price action right here, bro. They playing with it. Cause look. Looking too weak for me, bro. Market chaos. Yeah, it sure is fucking chaos. Hey, look. Wait, that VWAP, that fake VWAP breakdown setup isn't out of the question yet. As we wick into the downside off the 9 EMA, it's not good. Look at it, bro. I mean, bro. Ain't this thing. Alright, we dipped all the way down. We tried to bounce back up, faded. I mean, look at the Russells. Russell's above VWAP. Meta's above VWAP. Nvidia's trying to trend back up to 470. Palantir still struggling to get front side. The SQQQ has gone back front side. Foxes never broke down. That's bearishness. Look at that. Oh, look. Damn. I wasn't even ready for the 10 minutes of terror, bro. That was it. Oh, Lord. Dude, for a 10 minutes of terror, bro, like we bounced up here and then yanked back down, but look at this volume. Ten minutes left in the trading period. Look, I mean, this still can be considered that false breakdown of VWAP, where we consolidate underneath it and then rip. It's not out of the question yet. Hey, look, just put in a higher low. We're crossing over VWAP again. Back up at 455.50s. All right, almost. Keep forgetting, like, I got the time up here, bro, like the market time. Look, it's not out of the question yet, bro. Look at this long wick into the upside off the 9 EMA, breaking above VWAP. That's that VWAP breakdown, consolidate under VWAP and then take off. Cross above VWAP and then start trending back up. They just playing with it too much. Look, that VWAP, that false VWAP breakdown, consolidate under VWAP, and then cross above VWAP and start trending up. Yeah, that's the setup. But it's like it keeps trying to go up, but they keep dumping on it. mean, 250,000 shares here, 160,000 here, 200,000 here, and we're almost at 100,000 here. Yeah, 125, 150. Whoa, it's looking like it's selling though. What we got left? All right, he's got 7 minutes left. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, there's a slant. Oh, they about to dump on it. Oh, no, dude. I mean, I took a little baby size position, bro. It doesn't really matter one way or another, but I would like to not have 2 red days in a row. Oh God, they're dumping on it. They bet it's a terror, dog. Alright, obviously the trade didn't work. I gotta respect my risk, bro. What? Oh. This was July 19th. Where's my July 19th at? No, I don't have July 19th. I have July 20th. Called. Oh, fuck. Oh. I mean, trying to exit this bitch. Trying to exit this position right now. Hold on. Oh, that mug. God damn. I'm losing value. Let me out. God damn it.
Order filled.
Jesus. Bro, you don't understand what I had to go through to close that thing out just now. the fuck? Wow, bro. Look, I bought it here, fucking sold it here, so it's about 30 bucks. Well, I mean, 30 bucks per contract. I didn't have a whole shit ton of contracts. That was like, and I'm on the wrong chart. Fucking such bad execution. Hey, looking like we're going to continue to dump though. Fuck. I'm glad I got out. I mean, I tried to get out earlier. Tried to get out right here. And look at this. Like they're dumping on this shit, boy. Fucking got out. I mean, didn't get out when I wanted to, but seems like I got out just in time. Bro, that was a weird day in the markets, bro. And there's 10 seconds left. Five, four, three, two, one. Ding, 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 ding. Look, they freaking dumped that shit. Like, that's what I'm saying, boy. That 10 minutes of terror, bro, is a mug. Trust me. It's a thing. Look at that. Where's the last 10 minutes start at? Look. Look at the move we got. 455.70s down at 454.70. So a dollar move. And the 10 minutes started here. So we got that. In 7 minutes, that type of range. And I'm telling you, that is a strategy. I just need to work out the kinks in it. Oof. Weird price action today, bro. Like, look at this. Just all over the place. But I mean, if I would have been trading off the get-go, for sure, I would have faded these rips. Probably been done right around lunchtime. Thank God I was able to freaking get out. Look at this, dude. That shit's still dumping, bro. Oof. And that's why I don't like to swing overnight. I mean, the only times I like to swing overnight is if shit's dumping going into the close. That's it. Other than that, I try to refrain from doing it. I mean, unless it's a longer term play. You feel me? Russell closed above VWAP. This thing was dumping, going all the way going into the close. Meta closed above VWAP and front side. Nvidia actually dumped going into the close. See something? Yeah. Dumped going into the close. Look at that. Freaking gapping down. I mean, it's after hours. Yeah. That's what we got, bro. I mean, they still trading the shit out of the markets. After market close, boy. You can definitely tell, though, there's less trading going on because the freaking level 2 isn't filled up. I'm seeing some big orders on the level 2, though. Shit's just going so fast, but like Look at that, 11,700. Look at that. But I want to see that order. That's gone. Damn, 11,700 shares of the SPY. Look, now we're bouncing, going back up. Whatever, dude. It's been real. Shit kind of sucked, actually. But guess what? The stock market ain't going nowhere. All we can do is get that vital screen time in and get better day by day. That's it. You feel me? This is, when they say practice makes perfect, that shit's real when it comes to this, bro. Yeah. Practice definitely makes perfect, bro. But anyways, man, hope everyone did good out there. Made some money. I mean, looked like it was fairly easy to freaking make bread today. I wish I would have got in earlier, but I originally was gonna take the day off from trading, but I just couldn't help myself. Palantir's closed right at 18. S triple Q is look at this. This thing's still acting like it wants to go up. Still respecting those levels. So remember that. Go. Oh my God! Tesla just came out with earnings. Obviously. Woof! My God. I hope because I heard a lot of people saying they had calls $300 strike price calls on Tesla. Oh my God! I hope you got rid of those, bro. Please tell me you got rid of them. Look, oh, I'm in the way. Look at this. Oh my God, dude. So I'm guessing earnings wasn't that good, or deliveries were down. Like, what is it? Wait. Bro, this is freaking. Let's just watch this shit. I mean, what? What? Maybe those 300s might be good after all, dude. Stocks close higher as the Dow logs eighth straight winning season. That's pretty impressive. Eight straight. Look at this. I mean, 300's way up here, man. Look at that dump. But dip buyers to the rescue. They probably see this as an entry. Probably, now that I think about it, down here probably was a good entry because earnings will move the price. But I mean, unless it's something devastating, the overall trend should continue. But look at that, 299, then just started dumping. All right, look, that thing going back up, boy. Bro, that's a crazy ass price action. All right, wait. Hold up. Hold up. Tesla gets back above red to green. These are 5-minute candles. Back front side. Hey, upside. What about Netflix? Netflix ain't really doing nothing. It freaking dumped and bounced right back up like Tesla. But it's looking a little weaker than Tesla. It's Tesla's front side. Look, bro, I'd be scared to trade Tesla, bro. Like that shit too erratic, bro. Look at this. I mean, it is earnings though. Uh oh. Elon about to crush it. Elon about to crush it. Freaking drop all the way down to 282 and bounce all the way back up front side. Damn. That's that's crazy, bro. I mean, I'm long Tesla now. Yeah. From the looks of this, it seems like Tesla inevitably cracks 300. I mean, I don't know what's going with Netflix. I thought the password sharing thing was a good thing. I mean, it obviously was. Look where we ran from. 169 to 480s. 500. Looked like 500 on Netflix. Tesla don't know what it wants to do with this life, bro. This is after hours. Craziness. Swinging all the way down to 282, back up to 297. Now we're back down to 293, 292, going to the downside. Oh, look at this. This shit's irking and jerking around, dude. I don't see that time in sales. Look at that. Bro, they still trading the shit out of that mug. Look at this. Look at the prints and the level 2, bro. Looks like Netflix is leaking back down to 460. Oh, 461, 460s, 461. I mean, Netflix is starting to bounce. Oh, I don't like that long ass wick on Netflix right there, bro. If you're bullish, it ain't looking too good. And now Tesla's starting to come back down too, bro. Yeah, they trading it though. Mad prints going through. Like your shit. You would think this was regular freaking market hours right here. It's fucking fast as this shit's moving. Going up. Oh no, that's crazy. Yeah. But anyways, bro. Hope everyone did good out there, man. And I'll see you later, maybe on some gaming like Zelda or Returnal or something. And we'll see you. What's today? Wednesday. I'll see you. Damn, you seen Tesla price go all the way up here for a second? We'll jump on tomorrow, same time, same place, dog. Again, hope everyone did good. Stay safe out there. You feel me? If you made money, that's the goal, to extract capital out the markets every day. So congratulations. If you lost money, remember there's always tomorrow, as long as you're respecting your risk. You feel me? Other than that, it's your boy E with some finance solutions. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe or follow. All the stuff that Algo likes. You feel me? Also, if you want that watch list, go ahead and sub, dog. And comment that you subbed and you want the watch list. You get it for free. Look, Tesla's grinding back up. You get it for free, son. And I didn't even have a chance to go over everything on the watch list on the stream today. I really wasn't planning on trading today. I was gonna sit on my hands. That's basically what I did. I took one little mini trade. That's it. And I, for the most part, respected my risk. So even though it was a losing trade, I feel good about it. Because I didn't lose an arm and a leg on it. You feel me? But other than that, like I said, bro, like and subscribe, all that. Peace. Hey, by the way, Tesla's back front side. I'm just saying, trying to cross over VWAP. That thing gets over VWAP right here. I believe it keeps trending up after hours. You feel me? It might gap up or something. Well, I wouldn't say gap up, but we're crossing over VWAP. If this thing can get above VWAP and consolidate for a little bit, you feel me? It will trend up overnight. Those 300 calls are still looking pretty good actually. But anyways, peace.